you could look at Europe for one, because there they are going through a second phase of the recession. The valuations are better in many of the countries compared with what you have in the United States. There is also going to be a lot of stimulus. And even though the European Central Bank on Thursday did not add to any new stimulus, I think the expectation is that they will do so during the months to come. And you have a common European bond, Eurozone bond, which is going to be issued. That is going to bring new money from the fiscal side. So Europe is clearly a place to play. And Asia has all the benefits of demographics, fast economic recovery. China has, in fact, turned out to be the only country with positive growth rate last year, Mandy. My expectation is more Asian countries will join it during 2021. So the short message is look elsewhere in terms of where you want to go. Other than that, my expectation is that gold still looks like a very good bet, especially with the inordinate amount of stimulus that exists. So you're looking at all of the non-traditional, non-U.S. areas for growth during the coming months.
Good morning, Sri Tanvi, joining in this conversation. Just gold or other commodities as well, given the kind of super cycle everybody's calling for in that space?
And the other commodities as well, Tanvir. Thank you for pointing that out, because clearly the commodities have been up very sharply. And the expectation is that if you had a dollar which is weak and inflation picking up and the Federal Reserve likely to do more, then the expectation is that all commodities will do well. And that is, I think, a part which is also helping. So, for example, in the case of oil, while you have the benefit coming from Saudi Arabia deciding to cut output, and that helped oil prices a couple of weeks ago, now I think it has a momentum of its own, also coming from the expectation that the commodities are the place to be in. So you have commodities, gold, all continuing to benefit from it, and their valuations are not so extreme as US equities are.